Well, hello, everybody. It started snowing here at 2:32 Eastern Standard Time. I figured that it would be better for me to come out here now and film for everybody. Hello. I am Carrie Knauf, your host. Carrie Knauf, weather girl today. Here is with the snow, and for those people living in Ohio, Indiana, and Michigan in 1978, this weather is gonna rank right up here. We're supposed to get anywhere between 25 to 35 mile an hour winds. I was planning on coming out here at night. Right now, it's not too dangerous out. There is no wind at this time. But anyway, it's basically snowing anywhere. But I'll even put some on here. And this will be tonight's video. I'll get some of the thing up here today. Yes, we are prepared, and this is what it's looking like towards the east at the moment. You can see kind of like the deep snow, and I'll come on, and here's the who's who.
Ooh, ha ha. Merry Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas if you don't hear from us. I finally put it on my community tab. I was going to put pictures on it, but couldn't do it. So, but yeah, and here it is to the north. And here it is towards the west right now. This will be uploaded tonight. Truck coming up the road. Yeah, it'll be better if I were to come out here. We do got some icicles here, but it would be better for me to come out here to shoot. I will put on the light, so, and I just turned on the light here. But yeah, this is what it is, and I will, like I said, I will be uploading high. The Knauf weathercasters here today. Yeah, and you can, let me turn the light off here, and you can see by the end of this video they're going to be all snow covered. But yeah, we getting our mail. They're expecting to close a lot of businesses here tomorrow, but it'll be better for me to film right now than it will be later. Here's Mr. Snowman.
Oh, it is snow.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
Yeah, we're supposed to get anywhere between 12 and 18 inches of snow. Or more. But it's better for me to come out and shoot this video now than it is.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. So like I said, I put it out on my community tab. Like I said, we called before the storm. We went to Chick-fil-A. We both got the chicken nuggets. But yeah, this will be the biggest video I will upload. And actually, since I've been out here, it has started to snow a little bit more. Oh, we got sirens going somewhere. But yeah, gonna be out here as there's our footprints. But yeah, yeah, we got snow here. But yeah, this is gonna be the biggest upload. So I'll probably will go back in and show you like the bird feeder and all that covered up. But I just thought I would come in and. But here's our bird feeder. You can actually see some of the bird feeder right there. Got some icicles. But either way, just trying in to stay warm. And this is the Knauf's news weather blizzard warning report. Started snowing at 2:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Warning goes into effect at 4. I am